guys, and welcome to Lily Baby Toys. Today, we're going to let Baby like swim. Yay! I want to swim too, but it's very cold. Yes, Baby like? I'm not cold. I don't be cold. See what I brought for her? Blocks. Lots of toys. Oh, blocks here. Now, I'm going to open this.
Take. Give me.
Wait,
baby,
baby
alive.
Wait, I'm going just to open this. Okay.
I want the baby alive. Okay.
Wait, I'm just going to take the 11. Oh. Where's 12? I should see 12. Okay, it's almost 11. That's a little... Oh, the baby doll does Sheila. The water glasses, milk, glass milk, star, a hippo, an octopus, a seahorse, blue seahorse, another towel, a rubber ducky, a dolphin, an orange little dolphin, her dress,
How do you put?
and another baby towel. I got 3 towels. Now let's open this one. A seashell.
Yeah.
There's it. Because when she finished. This we got it on the beach. We don't want it. Or we can throw with it water on her. Okay. Got this for her glasses.
Oh, you eat.
No, she drank.
She
Oh,
drank.
I'll make her hair very
What you this, please. Oh.
A hat. A pink little hat. And the last thing. It's this is for the sand. Okay, I can take it. What is? Oh, it's too hard.
Yeah. It's too hard.
This is for baby Lena.
Baby.
Oh. Can I put this?
Okay. I put this.
How did you do that? Oh, yeah. Here's it. Do that. Swim.
Yeah.
Come. With me.
Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna swim. Oh, she's swimming.
Ooh, I'm swimming.
Take this baby alive.
Oh, take. Take it out. Take.
Here, take her baby doll. Oh my God, it's going. These are going.
Take baby alive. Baby alive, take.
Oh no, the blocks are going away.
Oh, they're going away. They're going away.
Go swim and get it. Can you?
Take.
No. All the blocks are going.
No, stop.
She's not gonna swim again.
Oh.
Too hard.
Yeah.
It's too hard, this thing.
Oh.
Only when I get it. Come on. She's very cool.
again.
Oh, the diaper is water. Oh, that it's water. Stop doing this. She's cold.
Okay. Are you cold? More.
More.
Oh.
Dad.
Oh. Let's take it from there.
No.
I'm on the floor. Where are you going?